Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn about the amazing animals that you can find on a farm. Let's explore their names, spellings and some fun facts. Are you ready? Let's go! Look at this animal. This is a cow. Let's spell it together. C-O-W, cow. Cows give us milk and they love to eat grass. That is why they spend a lot of time chewing the grass. Next up is a fluffy animal. This is a sheep. Can you spell it? S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Sheep have wool that keeps them warm, and people use their wool to make cozy clothes. One more thing, do you know the name of the sound made by sheep? It is called bleat. This is a goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. Goats love to climb and eat almost anything, including grass, leaves, and even paper. This is a hen. H-E-N. Hen. Hens lay eggs. Can you guess how many eggs a hen can lay in a week? It is about 6 to 7 eggs. And do you know the name of the sound made by hen? It is called cluck. Wow! Here comes a horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Horses can run fast and they love to gallop across the fields. People often ride horses. Do you know the sound made by horse? It is called neigh. Look at this cute rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Rabbits love to hop and nibble on carrots. They can also dig burrows. Here is a rooster. R-O-O-S-T-E-R. Rooster. Roosters crow loudly to wake up everyone on the farm. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Here is a fun fact. The sound made by rooster is called crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. Here comes a mule. M-U-L-E. Mule. Mules are strong animals. They are used for carrying heavy loads, especially on farms. They are very helpful to human beings. This is a turkey. T-U-R-K-E-Y. Turkey. Turkeys makes a funny gobbling sound and they have big colorful feathers. The sound made by turkey is called gobble. Here comes the dog. He is the farm's best friend. D-O-G. Dog. Dogs help farmers by protecting the animals and sometimes even herding them. They are very helpful to the farmers and the persons managing the farm. Here comes the duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Ducks love to swim in the pond. They have webbed feet that help them paddle in water. They make a funny sound and the sound is called quack. Here we have a donkey. Donkeys are known for their loud braying sounds. and they are also hardworking. DONKEY, donkey. This tall bird is called emu. EMU, emu. Emus are flightless birds, but they can run really fast and have very strong legs. Look at this strong animal. This is called a bison. BISON, bison. Bison are very big and strong. They have large humps on their backs and are often found on ranches. Look, here is an ostrich. OSTRICH, ostrich. Ostriches are the biggest birds in the world, but they cannot fly. But they can run very fast. They also have very strong legs. Here comes the fish. FISH, fish. Some farms have ponds with fish. Fish swim using their fins and they can breathe underwater. Fish are also consumed by humans as food. Wow! We have learned so much about farm animals today. Let's go back and revise everything. Cow, sheep, goat, hen, horse, rabbit, rooster, mule, turkey, dog, duck, donkey, emu, bison, ostrich, fish. Hey friends, we have learned so much today about all the different farm animals. They all have different jobs and make the farm a fun place. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.